So I just wanted to give you a really quick update on how my mining rig is going. Here it is. I'm super excited about it. It's not quite done yet, so don't be alarmed by anything that looks messy or scary. I'm still hooking things up, but I've got my motherboard here. I'm using an AMD Ryzen 3900. My power supply, I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 120 gigabyte solid state drive. You don't need a CPU like this and this much RAM if you're just going to be doing GPU mining, but I am going to be playing with a little bit of CPU mining as well. And then I only have 2 cards right now. They're not even fully hooked up. They're 2 5700 XTs. It was supposed to be 4 cards, but 2 of the new cards that I bought were clearly not new. So I'm returning those and hopefully going to be getting some kind of replacement soon. It's either going to be more 5700s or maybe some 3070s, depending on whichever looks best. Whichever one's not gonna rake me. But yeah, this is it so far, guys. I'm so excited. It's almost ready. And then I'll probably start mining with just the 2 and add in the other cards when they get here. So yeah, okay, just a quick update. Okay guys, here we go. Oh, it's a nice awful blade. Just kidding. It's amazing. Guys, I'm so excited. Sorry if I'm making weird little noises. I'm so excited about this, which I've told you like 100 times already. It's so hard to like, these are so well packed. And I'm trying to do this without busting up my box. So I don't just want to dig my fingers in there and start ripping open. There we go. Just had to apply a little bit of pressure. Look at that. I feel like it's like a portrait for me. A portrait of amazingness. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little flat. It's not even, I don't take that out. I'm gonna take this out. It's like, it's like holographic. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, I loved I mean, I still love Pokemon, but I'm so into collecting Pokemon cards. Those holographics. Ooh. Stickers. Oh my gosh. I love stickers. Yes. Ooh, where am I gonna put those? Get amplified with the all-new Zotac Gaming GeForce graphics card. Nice little installation guide. Okay. Now let's get to the juicy part, right? There she is. This has got like two sixes to an 8. It's kind of cool. I don't think I would need that, but thanks. It's actually a little bit smaller than I would have expected, but that's okay. I like saving space. I love that like these newer cards have that back plate on them. Then I don't have to worry about touching, you know, the back of the card. Oh, this is a little bit tight for this card. I don't know if you can see it, but it broke through. That's okay. Now I just have to be able to get it out though, without getting stuck. There we go. We got it. Oh, look at this beauty. Wow. They just get nicer and nicer. Are there, guys, oh no, guys, there's no like fun plastic for me to peel off. Oh well. Zotac, you did me wrong. I'm just kidding. You guys did me right. This looks amazing. Okay. 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. That's good. Although I still have a bunch of DVI cables, so I have to get like converters. I guess I should just get some new monitors, guys. Anyway, this is about this card. I really like this. What was that upset? Oh, that's nice. It's like big, but it's small. So here it is. It's gorgeous. It looks so nice, and it's like nice and compact. Really big fans. I love it. I'm not sure how I feel about this. You can see it's 2 8-pins in here, but it's like in, like, don't touch that at the bottom, but you can see like how it comes down in, which I could see they probably are doing it for like nicer cable management, so the cable's not like right here and coming out, but also looks like there's not a lot of room for your fingers, so that should be fun. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get this back in here, because if anything happened to it, I'd be so sad. Let me tell you guys, I don't know what it is about me, but I generate some serious static electricity. So I just always have my stuff, I've always put my stuff back in the static shields. I'm always like making sure that I'm touching some sort of metal before I touch my cards and things, because I haven't blown anything yet, but it's scary. I don't know what's up with me. Anyway, put these back in here. I'm so excited to go set these up. Guys, I love getting video cards. Just always feels so good, you know? I mean, it's like, I imagine, I haven't console gamed in a while, but I imagine it's somewhat similar to buying like the next gen console, because you're upgrading, right? Your ability to get better frames, to just have smoother, more clear visuals, being able to play more of your favorite games at higher frame rates and with higher settings. Oh, it's wonderful. I mean, the only thing probably, I mean, okay, for me, there's probably nothing better than getting a new video card, but something that would be very similar is like an upgraded CPU. That's probably really exciting too. Adding more RAM. Ooh, and getting like more solid state drives, because I mean, you don't want to have to uninstall your game so you can install the new one. Just gotta get more solid state drives. So glad those were invented. They're so much better than the old hard drives. Let's not talk about my age. Okay, so yeah, that was my Zotac GeForce 3070. I'm so happy right now, guys. Okay,